Okay, so here's testing we did this week. We went to the Attiny85, which we're actually going to be using the 84 in our final project, but this was what we had in the lab. So this is an 8-pin, and the one we're using is going to be a 14-pin mini or tiny Atmel controller. But what you're going to see here is what we just did, a simple configuration where we load up the board, and then we loaded some code on there just to read the accelerometer like it will do on our project. And then once you turn it on with this push button, then it'll start reading. And then we hooked up, so first we had to burn it all on there using this bootloader, and then what we did is we take off some of those wires, replace them with the serial connection right here and the TX and RX, and we use the software serial on the Arduino to communicate serially back to the computer, so we can test to see if we're actually getting readings. So first I'm going to turn it on, the button right there. So now it's on, so now it should be reading. And then you can go over here to the Arduino. And so nothing's there right now because the button's not pressed. So whenever we press this button, then we can get readings. So I'm pressing the button. As you can see, we're getting analog readings. So I'm shaking it right now. Stop. Shake. Stop. And that's it. So now we have, that's a big test because once we get the Attiny84, we're going to have to be able to hook it up and write to it and burn on the code onto it. And so instead of using, so we've kind of imported from here and gone down to the tinier model, and then so we know how to do that and have configured that and get code working on that.